Good morning. Can you hear that? I hope you can hear that. Do you have that spot, that space? You know where everything just suddenly seems so present? Just look, what I've got. I think I just found my new spot, my new space. It absolutely sounds, smells and feels amazing. You need to have times like this, as many times as you can gather. We all need moments like this in our life. If you can find this space every day, for as little or long as you need, just take in the breath, just take in all the smells, inhale them in and exhale them out your mouth. So it's in your nose, out your mouth. Feel that beautiful breeze on your skin. Feel the air run through your hair. I know, I've got crazy hair today. Smell I've got like pine leaves here. You can see them just up there. But the smell that's coming from them is so divine. And then you've got the grasses. And while we're activating the senses, my eyes are not left out here. The beautiful blues in the sky with a beautiful, and they are actually really pretty white clouds, what there are of them, which are moving pretty fast right now. And the abundance of greenery. There's so many tones of green around here. And like there's some wildlife, you know, we've got the weeds, but they're beautiful, you know. We've got thistles, this thistle's gorgeous with the purples, you know, so activating another sense. And my ears, what am I listening to? Birds, water, trees rustling. And I cannot leave out my skin, the heat, the warmth from the beautiful, really vibrant sun. So I'm having some solar therapy at the same time. I really am blessed this morning. I feel so grateful just to adore this actual moment in my life.